Footwear manufacturing business, footwear business, shoe business plan. How to start a footwear manufacturing business. How to start a shoe manufacturing business. Introduction to shoe business plan. Hey, dear entrepreneurs. Do you most often ask yourself about how to start a footwear manufacturing setup or setting up a budding shoe manufacturing company? Do you often look forward to establishing a well-planned shoe business that design, develops, market, and even export the shoes of different desired categories? Yes, you definitely can take the strategy forward and establish your brand within the shortest period. All it takes is to make up the mind regarding the uniquely and originally designed shoe models that catch the buyer's attention. The article will make you aware of the needful facts, figures, and ideas. Overall, the footwear business is remarkable. You've seen small enterprises every place within the market. However, even after this, you do not have to worry about the competition that is an element of each business race. Only you've to focus on the customer's demand, additionally market fluctuation, and perform consequently with no hesitation. Further, follow the business plan through which you will know what are the requirements for setting up a stitching industry is. As we know, millions of shoes are made, but only a few shoe models get attention. To achieve this landmark of success, you need to be creative enough and even hire skilled shoemaking professionals and designers, along with budding marketing professionals to ensure sales. To set up the footwear company, you may have to keep in mind that it requires a medium to massive space because this industry is different than other stitching sectors. It performs more molding, pressing, and pasting work than stitching. You may need advanced superior machine models for the mass amount production because usually, footwear is created with thicker material like leather, plastic, and rubber. Footwear stitching machines and workforce. There is an enormous distinction between garments and footwear machinery. It cannot be replaced with each other for the stitching application purpose because footwear stitching techniques and fabric material thickness are different. Every stitching product has its specialty, and the same thing is kept in view. Footwear is also a unique making method, and the operator of it is also exceptional. However, you may also need other labor for the general task. The workforce for footwear production is not readily available in the market as compared to the other garment machinery operators. Then you will have to approach a recruitment agency or publish the ads for a job vacancy through the various advertising platforms. It is not viable to start a footwear manufacturing business on a small-scale level because you will need to keep complete machinery and other equipment sets according to the various footwear types and styles which get market demand. We all have seen that every type of weather has different kinds of footwear used. Like, footwear for men, footwear for women, and kids' footwear. You have to understand this concept and perform according to the market demand. Basic steps to make the shoe manufacturing company a global brand. Brand identity development with appropriate research. Find the appropriate niche in the competitive business market and make the needful research and development within the area. Furthermore, make up your mind regarding the investment, hiring of the professionals, and getting even the small plant establishment set up. Create the customized shoe design. For maximum sales, in case you are skilled enough in creating the customized shoe design, get to create the same using the appropriate software tools. Moreover, you can search for skilled designers and get them started via licensed graphic design software packages. Get the design edited as per your requirements and finalize it for further processes. Development of the shoe design prototype. It is mandatory to develop the shoe design prototype before initiating the final shoe production process. A series of steps are essential to follow, including pattern making, technical team consultation, management of the materials, sole making process, outbound and inbound design making, trial processes, initial packaging, and other steps. The sample needs to be sourced via online shopping portals to notice the people's responses. Design manufacturing. After taking up the series as mentioned above, you will now be required to manufacture the product as per the quantity expectations. It is better to initiate the shoes generation in small batches followed up by large manufacturers of the goods. Brand marketing needs to be taken care of with the utmost effort. Get to utilize the potential of social media, website advertising, including YouTube influencers engagement, offline advertising, and even others. Get to register the brand domain and make it the domain name as well. Look after the best hosting server, develop a well-planned e-commerce store, and keep on monitoring the output of sales reports. Packaging and distribution. The items get your brand associated with the premium quality shoebox makers and send them the requirements as per the shoe quality and sizes. Depending upon the received orders, assign the packaging team to best pack the goods and deliver the customers. Approximate investment to start the business. The investment depends solely upon the business plan setup with respect to the quantity of the finally generated shoe items. Overall, the initial budget needs to be around $10,000 to $20,000 United States dollars, even for the smaller business. There may be varied depending upon the location of the plant and registration processes. The operating costs, workforce costs, and a few additional costs like the warehousing charges can also vary as per the production. Last but not least, you can look upon the machinery's pricing and get to select the brand as per the necessities. After the business extension, you can increase the manpower and hire more skilled professionals. Also, get to enhance the quantity of production of goods. Looking for the best pattern designs for maximized business sales. Footwear design patterns matter the most about achieving the best sales target. The wearing taste varies depending upon several factors, including age, location, and priorities as well. It is advisable to conduct in-depth market research before the full-fledged launch of the footwear within the city. Depending upon the feedback received, you can understand the audience's taste of the footwear and accordingly manufacture the shoes in the required quantity. The youths will look out for the trendy footwear. The job-searching individuals will be looking forward to the standard-looking outfits, and the old-aged person will prefer their preferences. To strengthen the grip within the market, it will also be great to focus on the particular age group and remain targeted to manufacture similar products for the few initial months. After getting the sales, start reaching the others as well. Get to subscribe to the concerned video and blog sources and take the paid subscriptions to stay connected with the best footwear designs. Raw materials management and supplier. Raw materials are the prime factors for the full-fledged manufacturing process. To manage the same, connect with the wholesale raw material supplier and ask for timely delivery. The most commonly used raw materials include leather, textile, foam, synthetic, belt, laces, rubber, etc. It will be the best choice to get the stuff at a reasonable price via authentic wholesale suppliers. The sites like IndiaMart.com and few others can help you get all such vendors in this regard. Moreover, you can directly consult the factories and ask for the on-door delivery of the ordered items. Keep aside the hesitation, and meet the concerned individuals by initiating appropriate mails and even physically. Also, visit a site like Alibaba.com for getting the best deals in shoe manufacturing products. Furthermore, if you don't have an interest in footwear production and still wants to do this business, then you can be a trader, and you need to open up a shop within the market area where you may sell all kinds of footwear merchandise at wholesale or retail, footwear for men, footwear for women and kids footwear, or even you can supply the material and accessories to the manufacturer in a bulk quantity. Another way that you can place an order to the manufacturer to produce footwear under your brand name, and you may target an individual footwear seller, or even you can promote your products through your footwear showroom. To know about the footwear machine's details, please visit www.stitchingbusiness.com. Thank you for watching.